Today is August the 27th, 2026, and a weekly trip into the garden. Anybody wants to see anything else, let me know. I'm not sure what the audience out there wants. I've been deadheading dahlias here. It's a real nice sunburst dahlia over here. Beautiful thing. Strawberries are just waiting for next year to get going. I'm done cleaning them all up. Later today, we'll be picking eggplants. Got some really nice eggplants out here. Nice eggplants over there. Got some of the black beauties over here. And the black beauty there. This bush is going crazy with eggplants. It's got 6 on it right now. This one's just starting to come along. This is what was left of the cauliflower patch, and it's been reseeded, and the oats are coming up nice here, and that's been less than a week. Sandwich tomatoes are still all green. Maybe we'll get one by frost. I've been picking lima beans today. Got some real nice lima beans. Still one in here I missed. A nice patch of limas. Cabbages are getting about the size we like them. Make coleslaw on it. And it's been less than a week since the corn crop was cut down and shredded and reseeded the oats. One last cabbage. This next generation of lettuces are doing good. And these oats actually need trimmed down. They're getting a little bit too tall and thick. I usually trim them down about 2 or 3 inches and let them regrow. The butternut squash continues to go crazy, but it's been stopped, so we're just hardening up the ones that we have left in here. Hopefully these are coming out. These are 6x6 or 6x8 squares on the wire. Usually they like to grow in pairs for some reason. We've got more than enough butternut squash for the winter. These things will keep until next year. Tomatoes, we're actually getting some. The plum tomatoes, we've got some sauced up already. We got a whole mess here. In a couple of days we'll be able to do some more. The last carrot crop is coming along nice. They're about 2 inches high now, almost ready for thinning. The peppers are going good down there. Pepper plants, we harvested a lot of them the other day. Gave some away. That's a nice one down in there. Very nice pepper. And the potatoes, they're just sitting there. We dig them as we need them. The delicata squash, some of it can be harvested now and enjoyed. This zucchini died, gave up the ghost. These two are still going strong. As you can see, that end's producing. This end's still flowering, blue producing. Here's the zucchini. Some more blossoms. Everything. The dahlias, these have all been deadheaded. And that's it in the garden for today.